Before buying wireless earbuds, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Let's uncover the best options for 2026.
Product number 1, Bluetooth A90 Pro earbuds, priced at just $18.80. What caught my eye was the impressive Bluetooth 5.4 tech, which promises stable connections without interruptions. If you want great sound without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The A90 features 14.2mm drivers for immersive sound, plus advanced noise cancellation that ensures your calls are clear even in noisy environments. With a range of up to 15 meters, you can move around freely without dropping the connection. Plus, the 36 hours of total playtime means you can listen all day without worrying about charging. Now, some people complained about the lack of customization options in sound profiles. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for solid audio quality without needing to tweak settings, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and want reliable performance for everyday use. Skip this one if you're an audiophile looking for intricate sound customization. For the price, the value is certainly there. Now, if the A90's lack of customization bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, AptGodot HD65 earbuds. Next, let's talk about the AptGodot HD65, retailing at $24.35. The standout feature here is the staggering 75 hours of playtime with the charging case. If you want a truly all-day listening experience, this is a serious contender. What makes this one special? The HD65 earbuds pack 14.2mm drivers that deliver deep bass and crystal clear calls thanks to their ENC noise-canceling mics. You won't miss any details in your music or conversations, especially during workouts or busy environments. Plus, the Bluetooth 5.4 technology ensures quick pairing and a stable connection, so you can focus on what you love doing. However, a few users reported that the fit can be a bit loose during intense activities. But here's the thing, if you're not doing extreme sports, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you need long battery life and good sound quality for workouts or daily use. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra secure for high-impact sports. For the convenience, the price is pretty great. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for all-day comfort and sound quality. Product number 3, Nakuga A1 earbuds. Coming in third is the Nakuga A1, priced at just $13.29. Honestly, I was surprised by how much value you get at this price point. If you want solid performance without a hefty price tag, this is worth considering. This model boasts 50 hours of total battery life and features a robust Bluetooth 5.3 connection that works up to 49 feet away. You get a very user-friendly experience with its smart touch controls, allowing you to manage calls and music without pulling out your phone. The sound quality is enhanced by custom 14.5mm titanium drivers that ensure you hear every detail. But some users did mention that the controls can be overly sensitive. It's a minor issue, but if you're clumsy with touch controls, it might frustrate you. This is perfect for you if you want budget-friendly earbuds with decent sound and battery life. Skip this one if you prefer physical buttons for controls. For the price, it's a steal. Now, if the sensitivity of the Nakuga controls seems tricky, the next product offers a different control experience.
Product number 4, CMF by Nothing Buds 2. Priced at $24.50. I genuinely liked their hybrid active noise cancellation feature, making them a great option for blocking out distractions. What's really impressive is the 48 decibel noise cancellation, which adapts to your environment. The 11mm driver ensures deep bass and clear vocals, perfect for movie watching or music listening. With a total playtime of 55 hours, you can enjoy uninterrupted audio all day long. Plus, the seamless integration with the Nothing X app allows for sound customization. Now, one downside is that some users found the touch controls a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, if you don't mind a slight learning curve, the audio experience is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want cutting-edge noise cancellation and great sound for daily commutes or work. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward control scheme. Given the features, the price feels justified. Now, if the touch sensitivity of the CMF Buds 2 is too much to handle, the last option on our list might have just what you need.
Product number 5, Rinsmola G21 Pro Earbuds. Last but not least, check out the Rinsmola G21 Pro, available for $17.99. This one surprised me with its zero pressure wearing experience. You can wear these for hours without discomfort. The G21 Pro offers 40+ hours of playtime and features a quick pairing technology, which means you can connect almost instantly every time you pull them out of the case. The audio quality is impressive thanks to 14.2mm graphene drivers. And with IPX7 waterproofing, they're perfect for workouts or rainy days too. However, some users mentioned that the charging case feels a bit cheap. But honestly, as long as the earbuds perform well, it's not a deal breaker for me. This is perfect for you if you want lightweight earbuds that are comfortable for long listening sessions. Skip this one if you need a high-end feel to the case. For the quality you get, it's an excellent value.
So, to recap, we've got the B2Toes A90 Pro for budget-friendly sound, the Aptcodo HD65 for all-day battery life, the Nakuga A1 for an affordable option, the CMF Buds 2 for advanced noise cancellation, and the Rinsmola G21 Pro for lightweight comfort. Each has its strengths based on what you're looking for. Whatever your choice, you're bound to find something that suits your needs.